No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit. I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Miller, who approaches your. Mr. Miller, can you please state your name for the record?
Dwight Miller.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, my belief is that my client does want to set this for preliminary examination. However, I am uncertain. He and I have had some conversations, and frankly, I believe he wants to make some statements to the court. I advise him against it, but at this point, I think he wants to talk.
So we're understanding this is a criminal matter, right?
It is.
Okay, so basically, man, it stemmed from a falsality. All this whole thing, I was falsely arrested for something I never did. I got a sworn affidavit.
Sir, I'm sure your counsel has advised you. I'm going to advise you to not say anything else about the subject matter of the case.
Okay.
If you'd like it set for preliminary examination.
I want to challenge jurisdiction.
You want to challenge jurisdiction?
Yes.
Of whom?
Y'all have a jurisdiction of a case that doesn't exist against me.
On what grounds?
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
To allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't commit that crime.
If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question. You're accused of the crime of attempted or not attempted, but resisting and obstructing a police officer.
So we all aware that this never transpired, right?
I am not aware of that.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, Your Honor, I would ask Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I'm not submitting frivolous motions.
Can I get my affidavit put in on the record, please?
Affidavit.
My affidavit of the incident that transpired.
Your affidavit of what?
The facts in the case. My statement of what happened. Can I get it on the record?
There will be an opportunity if you so choose, if this goes to a further proceeding, for you to put whatever evidence you want into the court. But this is not the time to do that.
Really? So when is the time to put the evidence in there?
If you want it set for a preliminary examination, you'll have that opportunity. And if it proceeds to trial, you'll also have that opportunity.
Right.
So once again, I'll ask, do you want to set this for preliminary examination, Mr. Miller?
Sure.
Thank you.
Not really.
See, do you want to set it for prelim or do you want an adjournment?
Preliminary examination.
Thank you.
To your knowledge, all discoveries.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 24th.
Yes.
We can try for that date, Your Honor. If possible, I might ask to go one. No, let's do that date. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You want to get the discovery? They will have everything. I will make everything.
Court does call the case People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh. I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted. Sir, can you state your name?
On and for the record, my name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to establish jurisdiction, bro.
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
There's certain things you want me to show you?
Delegation of power, sir.
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power.
Yeah,
It came from the people of Washtenaw County that elected me. I have a certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller, as your
I would like
attorney,
a copy of your surety bond, please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one? Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your oath?
Mr. Miller, I'd advise not to
swear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout room?
You can do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So
what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
Okay, I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no so-called witness or victim to sign a sworn affidavit against me.
Please approach, Your Honor.
And not end this? Yeah. Oh. Of course, yes, you may approach.
So how's y'all having a conversation without me being there?
Okay, we're back to the record in the Dwight Miller case. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the jail at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor,
so I
object. Anything she talking about. First and foremost, how was you testifying?
Yeah, what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady lied.
I know, I heard your motion to dismiss. Okay, I denied it already.
Listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution, what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If something comes from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story up.
Okay, this woman is an assistant prosecutor.
Because nobody had no weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
the complaining witness. Not Ms. Hudson.
But Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending, as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit. I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve all that today. I never threatened
no one. The same people that's making these statements, they all three on felony probation. They done got caught. Their house just got raided. And then they up here playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So,
Your Honor,
probable cause conference.
Your Honor,
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement, Your Honor, that MAG thing we saw, we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court it's going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Okay.
Thank you.
so I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that
I'm not consenting to none of this. The lady,
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone?
Yes.
I feel a cold coming on for this 6. It was like a hairball. I don't know. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Okay, Mr. Miller, it's my understanding Mr. Miller is, Mr. Miller, I don't know what you're showing us, but what, would you state your name for the record?
American State National. All my rights have been violated. They can't.
Did you state your name first?
American State National, man. Your Honor, I've been asking for the whole time, man. There ain't no firearm. There never was a firearm. I was kidnapped. My rights was violated. The lady lied on the scene. She said she called the police, said somebody pointed a firearm at her. Then when the police came on the scene, she made that statement again. And then it was proven, the cameras proved none of that happened.
If you want to try to overtalk me, you can. It's not going to work.
Dwight,
it's not the time for you to try to litigate your case.
Where's the firearm?
Dwight, just listen. I was just appointed yesterday. Mr. Gaddy gave me the discovery this morning. Why don't we ask for a 2-week adjournment and you and I can talk?
Where's the firearm? Where's the so-called person that's the victim that signed the sworn
affidavit? Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned.
I object. I object. I don't get consent.
Objections noted and denied.
You violate my constitutional rights.
2025, 9
I ain't about to write you up. I'm about to send up the judicial review.
And you know what? So let's do it this way. That hearing will be in person. So if you got something to say, you can come right here and say in person.
My back messed up.
Thank you.
You know
Mute him.
You know my back messed up.
You're welcome. Court does call the case of the People versus Jawante McFarland.
Good morning, Rob Chico on behalf of Mr. McFarland. Judge, may we approach?
You are just having a bad day, aren't you? You are.
It's going to get worse. It's going to get worse.
Court does call the case People versus Dwight Miller.
For the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald calling outside Judge Slay's courtroom. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dwight, would you state your name for the record?
I'm American State National. I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the record.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in person.
I got a bad back, sir.
And he is not here in person.
Sir, I
am not going to sit here and listen to him ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't mind hearing from people, but I tell you, if you're going to say it all, you're going to say it to my face. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. No bond.
I am here.
We'll get him here.
I got a medical issue.
You can mute him. Thank you, Mr. Kilowald.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kilowald. Court does call the case. People versus Gary Coward.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Get that number. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't want to come up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just call my name. I'm just up
Do you
here.
want me to contact the Detective Bureau for you?
Pardon?
Do we reach out to the DB?
I think he ends.
Okay. Got it.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
He was representing Mr. Coward. Mr. Burgess?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So.
Wow. I'm calm.
My client is present, Your Honor. He's raising no constitutional issues, and he is a citizen of the United States.
Thank you.
I'm done, Your Honor. Sorry.
All right. No, you're not. You are just getting started. What are we
Good point.
doing on this case?
Judge, we're still trying to, Mr. Bandis and I were still trying to resolve the matter at the district court level. So I'm still discussing it with him. We're just asking for a couple weeks adjournment of the PCC.
Will the 11th work for you? I think you're here anyway on the 11th. I think
I think so.
For you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Will that work for you?
Yes, sir. Can
All
I
right.
appear at Zoom, please?
Pardon?
Can I appear
he
at Zoom
please-
at all?
That hasn't worked out for people today. No.
He's messing with you, Gary.
If